Alright, so I'd like to give a little update on the international backhoe project. Put the front weights on today. Put a new piece of all thread through the middle. This is the repaired step. Piece cut on the plasma table. The stabilizer cylinder's repacked. Put a couple spacers under this plate. Aftermarket seat mounted. Extendahoe cylinder leaks. Just looking at some pictures, and I found that this extendahoe looked a lot like what's on a Caterpillar from the 80s. I got a Cat's serial number and I put it in Cat's parts website, and looking at their parts list, it comes up as a Digmore extendahoe. So before Caterpillar started making their own extendahoe, there was this aftermarket company called Digmore, and they manufactured these as a add-on to pretty much any backhoe. I ended up getting an original Digmore brochure. Which was kind of cool. That's kind of how I found out it was also not Caterpillar. I just came across a brochure on the internet. So that cylinder inside needs repacked. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the parts locally or if I'm going to just buy a aftermarket cat kit. And I need to take a look at the wear bars in there too. They're either brass or aluminum. I guess that was an option for either. Looks like this cylinder's starting to weep a little. Still have to weld the crack. I have the packing for this loader cylinder. This is leaking. And I was putting the weights on. I noticed this steering knuckle shouldn't be bottomed out on the axle. So I'm going to have to take that apart as well and fix that. Show you the other side. See how there's a space there. Yeah, looks like that. Whatever that is, spacer or bearing that's there, isn't on this side. So have to address that. And then I also want to cut this step off. Fix that. I did move this pile of dirt with it. Probably, it's about 8 or 9 yards total. This was a low spot I filled in a little bit. I put the grill in too. I have the other panels painted, I just didn't put them in yet.